right, part 2, Niagara Falls, Maid of the Mist. Let the bells keep ringing, family reunion 2025.
But I never got a chance. We actually experiencing the boat ride for the first time.
Maid of the Mist.
Maid of the Mist.
And Niagara Falls. We in the falls, y'all. We in the falls. We in the falls. The mist is here. I'm gonna turn it all the way around. Woo! That's the falls, dog. We in the falls. Maid of the Mist. We in the falls. We are the Maid of the Mist. Alright, I'm gonna turn it all the way around. Ooh. I'm gonna turn it around this way. Alright. Maid of the Mist. We in the falls. Oh, there go that mist. Look at that mist. Woo! We in it, y'all. We are in it. Woo! Woo! That's it there, y'all. So we getting rained on now. I had to put my hoodie on. I had to put my hoodie on. This is awesome though. Once in a lifetime, you must experience it. We're gonna go around this thing one time. One time we go around this thing. I got my shoes on. I'm prepared. Very colorful, but I'm prepared. I got my swim shoes on. Ain't nothing but a little water. Just a little water. Woo, man, we ready to Niagara Falls though, y'all. This is amazing. This is amazing. In Niagara Falls. Who would have thought? Who would have thunk it? Who would have thunk it? Who would have thunk it? Who would have thunk this? All right. I have to pull the hood down here with y'all. So we're in this. We're in this thing. We are in this thing. Woo! Yes. I feel like we took a shower. Niagara Falls. We in the falls, man. I ain't never been this deep in the falls, man. We're deep in the falls now. Talk about deep. Come on up. That thing keep coming down. I gotta tie it.